I'm always in a dilemma as to I should be speaking in English or in Tibetan. And when I see Tibetan faces, it's natural that we speak in Tibetan. So, the week before this, I was in the United States, and I'm coming straight from North America. And some of you who are from Wisconsin and Minnesota, I was there the week before. I came to New Jersey near Mangoshtoa. So you saw New Jersey, you come out to gain this man, it shows that the parents from New Jersey are taking more responsibility to send their children here to summer camp. I have still not gone to my office after coming back from there. Yesterday I was in another Indian city called Ludhiana, where Tibetans do a lot of winter seasonal business. Every time when it's a meeting with the students, I make it a point to take out time to come and meet with you. After 1 month, I was in Ladakh, I was in North America, and it has a shine to Logre. The for about 1.5 months, you were here, and some of you can second time. The participants were you the only one who here who's here for the second time? First time. 오늘 야구 총소에 얘기지 서면 교수 기부 총소 가부 총소 양야 연구인 제발 드로치스 러빙스 레고도 되게 가다 여기 오늘 그런 냠녀 하나로 와. Is that your real experience? Okay. 제발 it's always good to hear feedback. cancer 냠녀 토네 아니 카리틱송 카리틱마송 cancer 되가 컨슈얼 카리총송 되가 막 하고 카리총송 되게 상황 송투가 되고 심해이냐 아니 아주 서머 캠프 중앙 부리중에 부리중에 주면에 cancer 되가 더 tumba 아니 펜토와 가리직 소투를 투여해야 상당한 개발시험을 봐 이를 help the organizers here to think about how they can improvise based on your understanding, your expectations from such summer camps. You spent 1.5 months here, it's not a short period, right? Did you try to see that? Did you do those shit? That was the Sharana. Choice messaging, Mizina, the Oji, the Shara, Sunny Chiga, and the Lobjan Sharachi, Shu Samalia, Bimamuchila, for a lot of people, it becomes life-changing experience. Yamyong Del Yonche, Yadege, Tanda Kansu, not your age, but maybe a little older to you. There's a Yad, Damsala Yayon, Kozadua, Pivejizona, De, and Pivegi, Da, Chigrishun, Da, Chur, Da, the Zul Tonan, the Sambala, sometimes it changes their life completely. Some of them have stayed back in Damsala. And Pivejizo, the Tanya, which I had done, the Ligi Yamyon, Sagi, and it can't. Sophia, when she was 2 years old, I had the time to spend some time with her father because I stayed at that place. And when she was 2, she had to speak 4 languages. Tibetan, Pala used to keep one laptop in front of her, and whatever button she presses, it's only Tibetan song. Pewe shema de yamane button kanda na pala pewe shema de chu yamane chuju gane pala pui level ke chedu Sophia de chedevle. Now we are meeting after that many years, right? Ani kasule da pamachi ge ya okituna ani amla ngone inji jangorwa inji ke jangore ani French jangore ani bobo mo Bosnian wa Bosnia right? Check rồi, check cái giàu rồi, chứ lúc chúng tôi nhìn được sao mà này cái mình làm một cái giàu của người đấy, nên thằng này khá là xem mà America này nghe chúng tôi kêu mà một cái giàu của mà rồi, education and European Swiss German, French area, French education, language, and Ottawa can some share, Ottawa Shinga slept or Ottawa Puma Yomare. In a Puma Yomar day in a time was looked to Mamuchik to see Pesha, the summer, whether we like it or not, this life we are Tibetan. If anybody asks you where your parents come from, where your grandparents come from, so one part of it at least, or if not all, that you are Tibetan. Misiti Pavajikete Yoris, I think you and I are Sha, Ta, Ruba, Solo, Tavachati Yore. You have to remember your roots. Benantanda. Yang pama kaje jik kabache jik mirishi mai ne root ni yorwa zawa ni tu yore kari mai ne so zawa de. It's very important that you understand your roots, and you should also feel proud of being a Tibetan. Because we are not talking just because we are Tibetan. We have a civilization, right, that has the potential to spread more peace in this world. And you must have heard through the messages of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, these are values that human beings need to cherish. And these are some things that we have to offer to the world. As Tibetans, since Tibet is occupied by China, some people think that our language also might have something to do with the Chinese language. There is nothing to do with the Chinese language. The Tibetan script came from India in 7th century. And we, as a people, were very fortunate to have transliterated every available Buddhist text in Sanskrit and Pali from Sanskrit and Pali into Tibetan language. We are the only nation that has become a repository of one part of ancient Indian wisdom or knowledge. And Tibetan language is one among the 15 oldest languages in this world. And there are only 3 languages in this world, according to linguist experts, who say that when you use the Tibetan language, you have to apply your mind. And there are only 2 other languages, one in Amazonia and one in Papua New Guinea, and the Tibetan language. These are the only 3 languages. When you use the language, you have to apply your mind as well. Tibetan language has been reduced to just 1 class in 1 week, just like how we do in the Western countries where you live. We live in the free world. When you go meet your family inside Tibet, Palata, Amlata, Nangminzu, Tuatu, Sabala, and if you get your machine, and if you get Ijikoma, Pega Yapshawan, and Dibara, the Kiju Shao Turwa, when you meet your relatives also, to be able to speak to each other, to be able to communicate with each other, you will have to hire a translator. Otherwise, you will not be able to communicate with them directly. Did you do Pega Jangwa, the Kachumbaris and accounts of the any Karsura, you can know Dushi, Jorson, to Galmishita, Kalumnashi, and Dusha, you did the big Kachumber, and Tonanje to Ina, Kari Bane. If you apply your mind a little bit, give a little more time, you can learn. And chance on the Lochunjure, Ripope Auyore, Ripope chance with Ripope Chunguyore, so you are at this stage where you can learn anything. Right? Just apply a little more mind into all this. And if hopefully they can stay pair the and in Yamyoya Usa, 아니 가시니 다다 양가 배경이 신순구열이 아니 셔마 뭐셔마 향수 저거 총무 향수 age group 들 열어봐 부셔마 to talk about your experience having gone to Dharamsala, what you liked, what you didn't like. Because in summer camp, the first thing they say is the toilet. Sanjuji, Indian style toilet. Indian style, you should be sitting on your two legs. Body body duet. Sanjula. If you go to Ladakh area, traditional Sanjus so this is how you should take it as an experience. Every single day we have to learn. So take it as a learning experience, however bad. Then you learn how to overcome all those. And how do you do that? Mentally, psychologically. Right now, you may not be at the age to understand the importance of the Buddhist religion. But this, according to me, personally, it has helped me a lot in how to reduce tension, how to increase your affinity for other people, to be able to help others. Even a small thing, there are nuggets of wisdom, as I say. Western psychology is like kindergarten compared to Buddhist psychology. So from that statement itself, you can understand how important Buddhist psychology is. So ultimately, everything in this life boils down to psychology. And just two concepts I'll leave you with. One, His Holiness always talks about oneness of humanity. Try to understand that. Oneness of humanity. And the interdependent nature of our existence. The concept and you will be able to overcome a lot of challenges and make your life also much easier when you live through your life. Okay? And today's mother Shuemindu, I cancel up Mama Shurani got to go to it. To cancel trouble with Guinea has with this Shabbat Latuna, Shamanzo, Cobb Lang to what. I do somebody to Mama Shungi, and Chata is so to enjoy the internet, Amla, so that in the Tenchilia, Namjun can someone engage or I was someone and 6 years mother shoe made this shit up there showing you. And Kuzule Yam this mother showing you can someone engage Yam to check or show their go show. We can't stick it that so sort of child early. Pivik Jipus or Yiri, Chictaneda. Busuine, Semdani, which has a demand charge to Zaman child, Bakazata. So the Pames have to share engaging in Chedi, you do some of that. And Lojan turns have a jelly, two guys, so the man check him down. I game, making a way, making a way, Georgic, and then younger because I'm Mrs. Wangadi. In the case, I can now last when I'm doing a kidding you and Tanadele can share two shish. Indeed, some duty I wish we that the cancer because Saranium to George to change consequently on your side, and also seems usual, and then Lojan Chedi is about Nanki, I wish Chavo Sunday, some of the Yodi, some and Digi, some new delay, Chick Pasure, Lomatache, and regular and Leper, this single key in it, and that's one of the devil in the page, Kudo share your sort Lobjon Karate, we can touch you as a regime. Coordination coil, that's one no in the Hamo, the sea. The Co Lopshi Karicho, we could never branch 뒤죽하래 띵에는 아주 최시직이 두 마소시야데 뭐 고요 말해. 그리고 뒤죽하는 딕션에는 개개소인의 뒤죽이 시중 도구로 맞아 지금 캐나다로 완전 지지도 가지고 상황치기 이슬라되어 있는 용어다. 매일 내가 시중 도되고 와. 이 용어를 이거 좀 시지고 좀씩 가리네 사정치네 사정들은 좀씩 공부받을 미유 시중계 마판식 아니 개개소수 디난 차시 가리스랑 우리 책으로 맞아 교수 상으로 소수 되거나 지금 이슬라에는 좀씩 떨어지고 지용을 좀씩 연구 말해. 단단히 하는 소리를 거치 땅에 이거 땅 샤워디 루루 치라발이야 다른 기대 가수의 공주송의 직만의 중요한 말때 이 순간으로 되어 있는 기계 수수기 주소를 주주 망한 땅 투어디 개신치가 떡도와 떡이도 아니 간수문에 아직 럽시도 간대를 쓰고 다른 양용을 대지야 뭐 제만을 기시 살아는 다른 지역에는 간수한 자들 통화와 중앙에 알로마심 가져다 간다 기계용 제시면 셔만 들리고 있는 진주 다섯 저거지 상물로 상마 사바 수수 소통 말해 소 우유 말해 같이 콜로스요 사교도 양양아 콜로스요 가란데 거 배주 땅에 있는 초스케면 와 대인도 대주 두루도 당소 콜 배주 힘되기다 다다마 의네마 라브라나 겐테셔 이제 뭐 좀시디 크란주스 안티 원행 기계 소수수 가르치고도 도시는 때는 도토가도시는 조조도다 녹두초고 고고당 등고요리 파마초이 뭐이니 폐회 쉬어라 창조 시기요로 와 시기요디서마다 니나는 현실적으로 가르통 것도 레고차로 가르도 양 소소부터와이나 지나로 니리지 두고이나 아니 럽시나 니리지 두고가 있는 야구 용사를 사면들의 여와이나 다 단단히 등장하는 순간 야면은 단단히 사회지를 고조 제여자 파 친시 삼주시에는 지그래 내가 그도 시에는 야가요. 다 파친사지야 페네파 랩제 지지직직 마소지 직소시는 망부시에는 초수요 말고 팬도요 말고 그 잡시장에서 차도 그래. 대해서 삼주 거리 매는 동투 아주 수질 포고에 힘들지요 말에. 상원로의 전개소를 팬토야가 체도 시기를 말이지. 딜리아지 원자 탑주다. 이게 전에 개 말에. 대해서 상원로의 공수념도 풍토를 보시는 편도시고 용어를 신이 디지슈에이 다리 대kan수 단기 순간들 때에는 부조 시시 장치에 그래서 제가 뒤에서 대다와지의 책을 대니 코주기 장비기 연애들과 대주 코를 거치에 kan수 샤워인디 사정의 야구 용구유백이 방다서 차로요 방다되게 파베 에는 먹어야 되게 맞춰야 되는 펜토마로 방다되게 산이 사정 용원체 부조 다른데 익수도 딱 익수되 가리수는 나타에 중요한 말은 제일 다시 오르대 근데 저체가 되고 다 토만 레벨 거를 야구디 익숙한 줄도 단다 나와지 책에 제일 파미를 선발이야 내가 이제 가져 좀더 뒤집고 말와 체진사 신바방을 휴저래 대주 섬주디야 또 투어도시나 펜도 연구리 아니 단위 kansu 균에 I was telling when I was in Wisconsin, Chicago, and Minnesota this time, there is an opportunity for the Tibetans to start a charter school in Minnesota. So we have been encouraging Tibetans in Wisconsin, in Chicago area, and of course in Minnesota also to be part of that project. This is a new project that is coming up where we could have a Tibetan environment for education in the West. And the Tibetan Children's Village here has also created this opportunity for students in Europe, North America, and elsewhere to be able to come back to India if they want to study here in India, in lower TCB school. So those opportunities, you can also tell your friends, right, and others that these opportunities are there for Tibetans to come to India and study. Right. So when we go, your parents would say, oh, we want this, we want that, but there are no facilities of that kind. Now that TCB has created a facility, the Tibetans in North America are creating its own facilities, then we should be all contributing towards getting it into a success mode. Okay. Tuchen, especially meeting with all of you, I consider it very important that we prepare the younger generation. And the feeling whenever I go outside, I try to meet with the younger generation as much as possible. And the reason for us to meet with the younger generation is to motivate them to take up leadership in the future. But in return, we get inspired by the attention and by the responsibility that the younger generation are taking up. So feel proud of you. Okay, keep it up. Thank you.
下着几